Good morning, this is Luana, and I'm a co-founder of allnaturescreations.com. I just wanted to come on briefly just to let you know that it's a great morning. The snow's out, and I'm here at a center giving a Yoni steam for today. So once again, if you would check out our YouTube channel, subscribe at the bottom, I would really appreciate it. Also, we sell steam pots. You want to go on and see what we have available. Go to allnaturescreations.com and see that we have body butters, we have beard oil, we have great things for sale that are all natural, they're handcrafted, and we just want you to check us out. So once again, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the bottom, and I'm tuning out. Have a great day.